Who doesn't want to be the owner of a company? Who doesn't want to be the creator of his or her own destiny? Who doesn't want to make a difference to the society? And who doesn't want to register his or her name in history for others to follow? All of you, right? But then what stops you from taking the first steps? Why do you rather settle down for a job when you can actually be an employer? It's because of a fear. What if a friend comes to you, holds your hand and takes away all your worries and fears? IIM Kashipur Foundation for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development, that's FEED, is one such friend that's willing to walk with you in your difficult yet very exciting journey of entrepreneurship. When Shrilesh Mandi came up with his final year project to make a tractor and tiller together, it was FEED that helped him with his initial grants to make a prototype that would get an international patent. He is now all set to bring a revolution in agriculture with innovative products backed by robust technology intervention. Similarly, Pooja Kaul would go all the way to be one of the 30 winners of Forbes Under 30 Entrepreneurs. She didn't know that when she began that journey to make beauty soaps out of donkey's milk, she could help the community of donkey owners with daily wages. FEED walked with her and gave her the sky to fly. And then there are many more inspiring stories like the one of Maya Vivek, who makes incense sticks out of floral wastages at temples, and Archana, who automates the poultry farms with technology intervention, and Sameer, who makes odorless haldi for children to drink haldi milk. So if you are an entrepreneur set out to change the world and your ideas relate to agriculture in any ways, and if you have never been funded by another Government of India scheme, what are you waiting for? Please join our third batch of agripreneurs for training, mentoring and funding support up to 25 lakhs by clicking the Apply Now button. FEED is waiting to hold your hands in your journey.